Hey MiJulsz, what's poppin'? What do you do? What do you do? So let me give y'all a rundown of what happened today. So I've got an assignment due on Tuesday. Girl, the stress. My head looks so big. My head look big too. It look really big. It looks so big. It looks elongated. Oh, damn. Anywho, so what was I saying? So yeah, today, so basically I spent 2 days doing an assignment, and then came to the conclusion today that I'm doing it not wrong, but I can't find the material that needs to go into a specific section, so I have to restart. Now the bad thing about that is that I've wasted practically 2 days of doing it, but in the same breath I'm kind of happy I found out now than on Monday, if that makes sense. But the stress has been real. Company law is no joke. But right now I'm about to go de-stress. We're all going to my cousin's games nights. I'm gonna try and vlog, but obviously you know people get a bit funny when someone pulls out a camera, so I don't know if I can vlog the whole thing, but I'm gonna try and vlog it anyways. So yeah, but before I actually go, I'm gonna try and read a bit more on a new case. So I found another case that I will be doing, so yeah, I'm gonna try and read a bit of that before my cousin gets here, and then scoot we shall be going. I don't know, but my head looks so big. Like, my head is not, it ain't so big in real life. The thing about these cameras, they really do pick up everything. Like, it doesn't hide nothing. It really be showing all your flaws and all, you know. I mean, damn, don't be so rude. But my eyebrows, sister, these brows, be honest, they are slayed to the gods. They are slayed to the gods. Oh, let me come out your face. I just have you guys in my face like, whoa, come on. The thing is, I would really like if it would focus a bit quicker. Okay, why is it? Do you know what I mean? Like, if it comes here, it takes a while to focus. If it comes back here, it takes a while to focus. Like, focus. But yes, MiJulsz, we back at it again with another video. Yeah, let me actually go take up my book, because this is what it's gonna pay me, you understand? Right, let's see if I can read. Okay, okay, so section 994 subsection 1, so far as relevant, provides a member of a company may apply to the court by petition for an order under this part on the ground that the company's affairs are being or have been conducted. Have been conducted. I can read, guys. I can read. Have been conducted in a manner that is unfairly prejudicial to the interests of members generally, or of some part of its members, including at least himself. The key phrase in section 991, this would be contrary to good faith. These principles have, with appropriate modifications, been carried over into company law. Anywho, I'm sure you guys do not want to sit here and read a case study with me, so I'm gonna catch you guys later, and then we shall get this night started. Toussy, if anyone's wondering, which you probably are, Toussy's at work at the moment, so soon, okay, MiJulsz? And if you have not subscribed yet, What is you waiting for? You need to subscribe, like, comment and share, and press that bell, or else you you need to comment, like, share, subscribe, and press the bell notification, because if you don't press the bell notification, you'll be missing all my updates, and I'm sure you don't want to miss all updates. So make sure that it's turned on, okay, MiJulsz? Okay, MiJulsz? You just gotta keep it turned on. Or if you're missing the updates, just turn it off, then turn it back on. You understand? Anyways, I will catch you later, MiJulsz, okay? Big up on yourself, but keep it locked. See you soon. Bye, 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 bye. Big up my old Julz, my new Julz, my in-between Julz. How can I forget that? How can I forget that? Never. I look so fine. You look so fine. Jonette, you look so fine. Jonette, you look so fine. Oh, you look to start calling me Jonette from now on. You understand? Don't know to come by my legal name. Jonette. Jonette. I need to get off it. I'm just chatting so much rubbish. See you guys later.
You think I love you for just one thing? To you, my love is made. One.
give, but you cannot take love.
Yeah, I needed to hear the shit. I hate when you're submissive. Passive aggressive when we're texting, I feel the distance. I look around the peers that's around me, these niggas tripping. I like when money makes a difference, but don't make it different. Started realizing a couple places I could take it. I want to get back.
You like every part of me body like me. Me have a man but I'm crazy, you drive me. Ticking the talking board, you be timely. Me like this one ginger wine, me but I don't get a bed, so you want time. Make it to the jumping. What you want to do? Me got the man, me got the so this one. You say that money don't matter, it's the times and the memories that I last get better, and I know it's because of it. Nice one now. Reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. 'Cause ever since I left the city, you started with. She broke it up and started like she never show back on every road, like you know that you want it so public, like you cold, like you cold, that's what you phone. What? Jump in there. Jump in there. Come on, little girl. Come on, show him, little girl. Yeah.
Jesus Christ. and MiJulsz, that is a wrap. I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog, and what can I say? What can I say? And MiJulsz. I mean, explicit much? And MiJulsz, that's a wrap. I hope you've enjoyed the vlog.
Move. Where's the other move? You shut it up. Move, say shut it up.
Yeah, and that's it, my lovelies. That's it, MiJulsz. Until next time, please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and turn on your bell notifications so you do not miss any vlogs or any updates from us. Until next time, MiJulsz. Okay, big up on yourself, big up my new Julz, my new Julz, my old Julz, my in between Julz. Wow, is that how long I haven't said it? Anyways, big up on the damn self, and I'll see you next time. Bye.